Friends, in the previous video, you guys have seen that we have built a beautiful house that too for children. The water will go through the motor. Through this main, we will make a dynamo because it will provide the whole house with electricity. So let's start the video and enjoy the video. So we can see we first dig a good chunk to make the pond. Then we gradually clean it. As soon as we clean it, then we repair it. Yes, we will also need bricks and cement, and we will need racks as well. Friends, you can see we have made our own log and we have already put fish in it. So swim in it and also you can watch. As soon as we start the water in it, if we give it, our time will also start with it and you can see these colorful bulbs that are burning. If you like it for sake of your children, please like this video and also subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.